we want to have a plan. So we want to have a plan in which direction the Android department should develop. We want to have best practices for our tools, for our processes, and we also want to document those things. And with this, we can help the company to achieve the set goals, and we can also improve how and what kind of code we write. And this leads us to 4 big topics or 4 strategy points, which is the development strategy, the quality, the innovation, and the organizational strategy. We want to improve and develop further the Android platform, and we want to improve how we build our apps and make it easier to create new code. Regarding that, we want to make things better reusable and better maintainable and more sustainable in the apps. For example, we want a complete rollout of Jetpack Compose, which is some kind of a framework or toolkit for creating the user interface. And we want to have this in all new projects because we already are using it, also in productive apps, but we want to have it for all new projects as a standard. And we want to get all of our Android developers familiar with it so that everyone knows how to use it, knows what it is, what it does. Another point, apart from Compose, would be AF modules. And AF modules is an already existing initiative to create some kind of separate library module, which can then be reused in different projects. For example, we could create a module for push notifications or the login or authentication, and this is then one separate thing we can then reuse in separate projects. And this is also some kind of an idea we have for the development strategy. And the last point would be the library management. So we are already having libraries like the resource generator, which gives us some kind of the automation to get resources into our projects. And we want to get rid of the old server structure. I want to move the libraries into the Azure artifacts to have a more modern approach to deliver those things. We want to strengthen our quality from inside, so within the app, within the code, and also from outside. And when we look at the app from outside. We want to make the applications and the code more robust. And so we already have a good quality, but we also want to make the quality of our Android apps more visible to the team and also to the clients. For example, regarding the strengthen the quality from inside, we can improve our app security, like we can implement in more apps the root detection, so that we can detect whether a phone, a device is rooted, so that it could cause harm to our apps. We can not only use it in more projects, we can document it and proactively propose it to the customers, to our clients. We can have SSL pinning to make also the communication with the server more secure. We already have no credentials or passwords in our repository and our code. We can document what we are doing to make it even clearer to our new colleagues or to anyone who is interested. And apart from the app security, we also could improve our static code analysis. So static code analysis 2.0, and we already are using it, but we could define what kind of metrics really defines good code. What is good code? We are using Sonar Cloud at the moment, but we could investigate if there are better tools or if we can improve our usage of Sonar Cloud, for example. And as I said, we want to make it more visible to the team and to the customer. We can also investigate how to visualize those metrics even better. And the last point would be the CI/CD optimization. So CI/CD means continuous integration to continuous delivery, deployment, how we are bringing our code together and how we are building the app and delivering the app. And we can also optimize things there. We can make things faster. We can define quality gates for pull requests, just optimize it. This goes also hand in hand with the static code analysis to make things more like automation instead of manual steps. Yeah, we want to discover new fields within the Android development and move into new directions, discover new ways to do things. And part of this innovation strategy is not only to discover new fields, but also to make the already discovered things our standard, and additionally document what we are doing there and check if we can use other tools for it, or other processes for it. And one example is artificial intelligence, so AI. And AI could assist us writing code. How can we do this? Does it make sense to let AI write unit tests or other code for us? And also AI within the apps, how can we recognize speech or images? And AI on server, how can we use AI on server? For example, get recommended articles for a news app. This could be one big topic of our innovation strategy, or Android Automotive or Google Built-in. And this is some special operating system for cars. We are using it already. Can we share the knowledge to other teams? Can we improve the processes, the tools, or can we even check if other tools are possible within this area, like Compose? Can we use Compose on cars and so on? This is also some topic we could investigate, and additionally, same applies for Android TV. Can we improve ourselves there because we are using it already? Can we use other libraries for it? Can we document the knowledge we are having and sharing it with the other Android developers or even with the other colleagues in the company? And additionally, we also could have other innovation topics, go to new devices, go into new technologies, go to foldables for Android phones, or check what is possible with the operating system. Can we modify it? Can we use the sensors for specific use cases? We also want to see how we organize and manage our Android projects. So we want to document things there. We want to check how Android projects should be accessible to other developers, to other team members, and to the client. And we need to define processes. We are doing it already, but we need to define standard processes and best practices for common use cases. For example, when we have a Google Play Store, how do we manage it? Who should have access? How do we handle support contracts? Who should get notifications if something happens to the app? And maybe also have an example account within the Google Play Store so that we can try out things, the beta track, how does it work, and so on, and create example store entries and so on. So just investigate, document things, and define best practices and processes, as well as handing over a project. This is also very interesting, not only from an Android developer to another Android developer, or from a team to another team, but also to the client. What should we take care of? What should we keep in mind? And what kind of things do we hand over, or what kind of things do we keep within our company? So this is very interesting, and so this is our strategy regarding the organizational part of the future of the Android projects. The Android family will grow, the team will become bigger, and this is why we need to get everyone on board regarding new technologies, regarding the things we are using at the moment already, like Kotlin flows, other technologies, but we also need to get people on board with the things we want to roll out, like Jetpack Compose, as I said. And we need to have more automation and less manual steps. And like I said, if someone new comes in, we need to have like a documentation. What do we do, and what kind of best practices do we want to have in our projects? What kind of guidelines do we want to have in the companies, so that everyone is on board, from the new team members and also from the already existing team members, that we get the input and document it, have everything, that everyone can work together, everything looks very similar, and so this is like the things we are longing for.